Oh look, I'm missing my bus right now. And not gonna make it.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can.
It's pretty early right now. I think it's like 6:30 in the morning. I just missed my bus. I was standing on the other side of the street and couldn't cross because there was traffic. And by the time my light finally turned yellow and I could run across, he left. So I'm now walking down to the next stop because it actually is in front of Justin's work. So instead of just standing there for like 15 or 20 minutes, I might as well go say hello to him. I'm going to work pretty early today because I'm on a half day because we actually leave for Seattle today. So exciting. So I'm pretty excited for that. Justin works until like, I don't know, like 2 or 3 or something like that. He'll come home, we'll get our stuff together and hit the road. So we'll have lots to show you today. Anyway, the bus is literally still sitting in front of his work, and I guarantee you by the time I get there, it'll be gone. So annoying.
The Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Rocking around, 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 rocking, 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 rocking. Rocking up.
Hey guys, how's it going?
How's it going, everybody?
We are currently at the Seattle airport because we are actually going to someone's home to go surprise her mom.
It's my mom's birthday, and we're also going to be there for,
Christmas. Or that other thing that's going on.
just a minor thing that some of you guys may have heard of it before.
Right now we're just on our way to our gate, but we like to do that cool thing with the light box, so we're going to do something cool, which you probably would have already seen. Hopefully you thought it was cool. We're basically going to be in the airport or airplane all day today. We fly to Toronto, and then we have a 4-hour layover in Toronto, and then we fly to Halifax, and we don't get into Halifax till about 10 o'clock, 10:30 their time.
So we still can't even post this video first thing in the morning because we're not going to see my mom until Saturday morning for breakfast. So surprise, Mom. By the time you watch this, you already know we surprised you. Got
Gotcha.
you. We told a lot of lies. A lot of lies were told over the last couple months.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle-tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those.
Halfway there. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
We're tired.
Very tired.
I'm sick of him.
Yeah. I'd be sick of me too. We're at Toronto, Pearson Airport right now, waiting for our flight to Halifax. T-minus less than an hour actually till we fly out.
50 minutes.
And then less than an hour. 50 minutes.
50.
I said less than an hour.
49.
49 minutes till we leave. It's about an hour and 25 till we're in Halifax. Hour and 30, I think.
We'll be in Halifax sometime after 9 p.m. their time. I don't know what that means for us.
Math is hard right now, but we're tired.
We've been up since I've been up since 4:30 this morning.
I've been up since 4:45. Maybe 5:20.
Maybe 5:45, 5 minutes before we walked in the door.
Something like that. It's been a long day.
It's been a very long day. But we're excited to be there. And then the surprise happens tomorrow morning. So we can actually rest, which is great.
Yes, we get in earlier than we thought. I thought we were going to get in at like 11 p.m., but we actually get in at like 9:15, so it's pretty sweet.
Can hang out for a bit before we pass out.
Yeah. But we'll see you in Halifax.
Hopefully we look a lot better than this.
We won't.
But we're literally the very last row. Exactly. Very last row. So it's gonna be a while. I see you, sir. Unloading all our luggage.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal, and a Happy New Year.